Take a ride in the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, power driver's seat, front reading lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.